Already, you know. Alright. So, I got to find the quadratic formula. More I get it today, I forget. Feel free for apps. Time I catch up on you know. So, basically, the quadratic formula, we use it. Right, I'm going to talk about when we use it. We can use it anytime, you know, but we specifically use it when, for example, so we have this x squared, we say plus 9, right? And so for example, we have 13x here, so we can factor it, the factor method, because when we say x times 9 and 9x squared, we can find two factors that give you 30. So instead, we let us use the formula. So this is how the formula is. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. It looks long and complicated, but it's rather simple. All we're doing is basically substituting these values. So first, A, B, C. So what this means, you can just write this over here. So A, we just have to take the coefficient. The number front of x, that will be 1, right? B, it will be 13. And C, it will be 9. Oh, we're going to change this to negative 9. Yeah. So now we just rewrite the formula. So that will be x equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And now we just substitute the values. So put the minus, what will be?
13.
Yeah, so you put the 13. Plus or minus square root of 13. That weird number you will get 4 times a, so a 1, so we times by 1 times c, which is negative 9. Yeah. And then we divide all of this by 2 times a, 2 times a 1. So we put it 1. And then we just compute, that's all. And what the fuss about, you know? So I could just do this. I have one little chicken I'm going to show you when we reach it. So this here negative 13 plus or minus. So 169. These are the chicken ones. So you see that part here? Just put it in a bracket. So put the minus and then you work out in a bracket. 4 ones, 4. And then 4 times negative 9, negative 36. My friend. And then you say 2 times 1 or 2. And then we can, it's going to become plus, you see? So we can just work it out. So x equal negative 13. You have a calculator to do it? You can go a little bit faster with that calculator. Alright, so 36 plus 9. Let me rewrite it. Some people now will get it. 2 negative, I will become positive. And we divide by 2. Alright, look at comparison. Students always say this done them book, but that's what your parents buy it for, if you don't eat. So 9 and 6, that are 15, so 5, carry the 1, 205. Alright. Remember, on the square root, right? 1 over 2. So now, when we reach here, so? Ah, Jesus. When we reach here, so we just find the square root at 205. So let's find the square root. Which number I multiply by itself? You get that. Which is? How much? 14?
That's 14.3.
Yeah, man. 14 times 14. 15 times 15 are 225. Man. And 30. Yeah, man, you're right. So, let's go into one decimal place. 14.3. And that divide by 2. Alright, so now reach here, so? The plus or minus, you have to have 2 solutions. So first, we're going to say bang. x equal minus 13. Take the plus first. Yeah. 14.3 and divide it by 2. And then similarly, x equal minus 13. Let me just change the sign. Minus now the 14.3 and divide by 2. That's odd. So this is going to become 1.3 divided by 2. It's a negative, so 13 and 14 are 27. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. So just divide that. Just punch it in a calculator. No, but the exam go post every in there. Yeah. So where you get to that? 1.3 divided by 2. 0. 0.65. 0.65. Now where you get to this? 13 point something. 13.65. But a negative, you know?
Yeah, negative 13.
Yeah. And that's all to it.
That just is right.
Yeah, man. So take it out and then I got you one more video. And then let's just go to that. Follow them. It's not hard. Just be step by step. See if we can find some last people, man. And we can do it. No more, only one more. I say you learn fast now with them. I say the subscribers in everybody learn so fast. So do one more step by step and then do some past people and then we give you some. Yes, people, a tissue me use. Not those. Alright, so I'm going to open that one. So as we said before, I'm going to just rewrite the formula, then we'll put it in. But before we do that, I'm going to put in the values. Remember, the coefficient, the number in front time. So this will be 1. So A equal 1. B negative 12. Remember the sign, and then C negative 18. So now we are going to substitute each one of them. Yeah. So rewrite the formula. And oh, by the way, this is going to depend the exam so on the front, but where some people are going to stress, them are going to figure out. I'm going to totally forget say it and bust them brain and try to remember. But you could remember it it's still. Alright, so A are 1, B are 2, negative 12. So alright, so negative 12.
So sorry, the formula always have 4 in front of
Yeah, 4AC and 2A. Alright, so now we have B a negative 12, so we still have put a negative there now because a negative 12, still have to put the negative, because the negative is a part of the formula. So we must have it in it, not a if or go. Alright, so plus or minus, that will be negative 12 squared, just write the square root sign, minus 4 times A 1, most times A 1, I don't know why I'm like that. Times C, which is negative 18. As I said before, all divided by 2 times whatever A is. A1 again. Now we want to do a different one than A1. I know students have a tendency to say, because the two example A1, them just say, oh, 2 times 1 every time. No, it's because the coefficient are 1. So we're going to look on 1 where the coefficient is not 1. After this. So sorry I'm going to do our next one. Remember guys, just put this in a bracket so you don't get mixed up. So you know, so work out the part here first. Alright, so negative 12 and that will give positive 12. Two negative together. Look for earlier top things when we do. No. Negative times a negative, I'm going to give positive. So we're going to have positive 144. Put the minus, then you work out the bracket. 4 times 1, positive 4. 4 times 18, that was 72. So that's a negative 72. And then we divide by 2. We show in the step here already, so it have become plus. So I mean, you still need 144 and this have become plus. So 2 and 4 are 6. 4 and 7, 11. 2 and 1. Oh, that's 216, right? So tell me the square root of 216. 14.6. Alright, so 12 plus or minus 14.6 divided by 2. So we're supposed to know, I mean,
yeah, right, the 12 plus
yeah.
14.6
Thank you.
divided by 2.
And then,
And then you have 12 minus 14.
thank you. And that's it. Simple something. So this now we have to have 0.6 and that get 26. So we divide by 2. So we get one value and then the next one, so minus 12 minus 2 point something. So 6 from that you have 4, right? Check if you're right. 2.4 divided by 2. So this will work out to x is equal to negative 1.2. And this is about 13.3.
26.3.
Oh, 26.3. Sorry. Alright. 30
I
of.
want 6 mathematics.
Oh yeah, thanks. So that means that this is going to change up then. It's about 2.7 or 1.7?
2.3. Wait, minus 2. Negative 2.3.
Negative 2.3. Alright, so this work out to negative 1.15, yeah. Alpha 30 and 15 and that. So these would be our two values. Subscribers, try first, When you not see the maths, them just try it, do it in the meantime, and pause the video and see what will go on. See if you make any error, or if me make any error. Because when you know if you do it, from a teacher, like me just come on the board and say blah 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 blah. Just do it. Alright, I mean, I'm going to do one more for your subscribers. I know you get it, but I'm going to do one more for them. But the coefficient is not 1. Because I don't want people to, students have a tendency to think, say, because the first two examples, they are 1, all the time they are 1. No. It's a substitute the value. So we're going to look on 1. Yeah, that means I say. I'm going to only 2x now. I remember we use this whenever we can't use the other method. But even when we can't use the other method, this can use for all of them. I don't know why students don't prefer this. The factor method, they prefer the factor method, but this one can use for all. The factor method only can use for when you have the factors, most naturally. Remember, maths is not hard, it's just learning how to do it and when to use what. Alright, so subscribers, I'm going to look at the next example. I'm want the subscribers them to try it, The activity we're going to get a million of them, I want you guys to try it too. So the thing, I'm going to do the solution. So my class, can't leave class without the solution, or if bell ring, because for that I go make your students miss out on a grade 1 or a distinction. So anything at all we do, we solve that. But at lunchtime, you have to wait. That's what the thing said. For them own good enough people, and not for my own good, for them own good. Alright, we can look at when the A is not 1, so 2x squared. It was 15 years, so and this 3x. Alright, so we write A, so A will be 2, B will be 3, and C will be negative 15. If you're just joining, it's the coefficient. So right here is A, this is B, and this is C. Everyone should know that by now. I've done many of these questions on my channel. Alright, so we're just going to use what the formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And then we can just substitute. So b is 3, so we have negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared. I'm just going to write out that one along. Minus 4 times a. A is 2 this time, times C, which is negative 15. And we divide by 2 times 2. Alright. So we could do the maths. Negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9. Put this in a bracket, guys. Can't tell if you see that, 4 2s, 8. 8 times 15 hour. 8 1s are 80. 8 5 are 40, that's 120. So that's minus 120 upon 4. add this to this, we get 129. So both of them negative, so it will become plus. So we could just math it up. So x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of 129 divided by 4. So we have negative 3 plus, because of plus or minus, 1. Oh, why square root of 129, my friend? Why square root of 129? 11 points up, 11.3, yeah. Divided by 4. And we know the rest. Take the 3, let's put the plus and minus right so. Take the plus first. If you want to take the minus first, no problem, you know, you just sometimes you try to get a little structure into the students. So you do it so all the time. But if you are at negative first, no problem. It's our 8.3?
Yeah.
8.3 divided by 4. And then this way, negative 14.3. And we're going to add them, both of them negative, and divide by 4. And we know the rest already, guys. We know the rest. 4 into 8.3, that's 2.15. And this 4 into 4, 14, 4 3 is 12. Negative 3 points on. 4 3 is 12, that remains at 2 or 5. But we no can do it and finalize it.
Sorry, you want 4.3
Oh, 8.7 here, sir.
8.3
What's that 8.3, man?
divided by 4. You said the answer.
Oh, how much read? Why read answer? 2.075.
2.075.
Okay. Yeah, 4 into 3 you can't, 4 into 30 or 7 times. You're right, man. And then this a 3 point something. Subscribers, you punch out in your calculator. I don't have any, alright? So now I'm gonna give you some activity. Me and Amelia are gonna do them. We're gonna do the solution. This was in 11. Come on, 11. Then you divide. Tell me exact answer. So you subscribe and them can lose.
Negative 2.575.
57, yeah. Normally with CSEC, they will tell you for 2 decimal places or whatever. That the on the channel too. So round that. No, we not say we not do that. You need to do them small topic there, like rounding up significant figures and so. And get on worksheet on them. And find some basket on them. Alright, what you go now, huh? so try on your own. Subscribers, leave that in the comment section if anybody watching. Or even if you try later on, but just to see. Still leave it. Pause it and try. Alright guys? So we're gonna start simple as usual. And if this now try loops. Guys, just remember with maths you have to try. Any student we teach, you have to try because at the end of the day, if you never try, you're joking. It's not a Netflix series where you turn on and watch. You have to practice maths. So I'm giving you some tips what you need to do on a daily basis when you really want to be good at maths. Jesus, take the wheel. Yes, I can. Let's run it after one. Just for the purpose here. But CSEC, they will tell you exactly answer, alright? One decimal place or two. But if not, they won't penalize you for it. If you run it after two. If they don't say two. But make sure you guys run it out correctly too. Guys, if you share something, make me get 1,000, so I'm not use a second and streaming something, Take on the grandfather phone and subscribe, man, grandmother, little baby. So I reach 1,000 so I can go live and think I'm clean and pretty like when the video them up. But guys, it's free now. Every year 30,000 students don't get to do the exam. Whether them don't get signed or they think that they are not good enough to pass. And out of the persons who sign up, but them teacher think them are going to pass, out of that, 30,000 fail. So that for sure you say, this channel should be booming because guess what? People need help. So I don't know why people prefer gossip and prank and what. Be a foolishness. Or do something to help themselves and their mother. I truth. You guys are the next generation. You guys should be pushing. Yeah man, just get grandfather phone, mother phone. Even if you don't have 2 accounts, you can subscribe with the 2 accounts on now. Just make it be 1,000. I want to do a series of classes for 2 weeks before the exam, every day, depending on my timetable. Man, I joke with this thing. You think the CSEC got easy because it's a pandemic? No, it's got hard same way. Matter of fact, when I work on yourself, people that when I don't work, me there for resit, I resit in January, me there for teach, I don't lie, me there for teach, And the adults when you're ready to start, as soon as June 23rd come, we take 1 week off and then we can start with open a little mini vacation and then ready again. Subscribers, put in an answer before me start. You must done one already, The next thing about maths, guys, you have to use speed. It's a very important thing. It's a critical component if you want to pass. Many students, I think probably all students can do the maths if they have the whole day. But the reality is you only have 2.5 hours. Even though it's a 2 hours and 40 minutes, the 10 minutes is for you to sign up your candidate number and all of those things. So you're only gonna get 2.5 hours to do the paper. That's paper 2. The multiple choice, you get 90 minutes. So you basically have 1.5 minutes to do 60 to the each question. That's how the thing go on. So you guys must be testing your speed at now. And all of these things. So a lot of factors, and the maths is very important, guys. It's no joke thing. If you don't pass maths this year, you have to pass it next year. No matter how you try to run and hide, you have to do maths. When you go to university, if you choose to go to university, you still have to do a maths course. No matter what you do, even if English you have to study. You still have to do some form of maths. I don't know when I eat that at them place. Even if you're a journalist, you have to do maths. Even in your daily life. And the funny thing about people, as soon as you check, look away, you don't know. But you don't hate maths. But yes, still when it comes to money, you don't love that. I don't understand that part life, don't understand that part of it at all. Just don't have to do, man. And share up the video them and them thing. As I say, even if your grandfather him reach certain age and he not gonna do no maths, still take him phone and subscribe and something, man. You understand? Cause one if you can just go live without a second hand stream. Now me have to use a stream and the quality 100%, but I still do it, for the love of the people and the love of maths. And over the years, students don't really like me, or love me, but actually, even Amelia and Kiana, two of my favorite students, them don't like me, but guess what? Them willing to work and we link up regular and we do maths. Because I'm somebody, I'm gonna push you. So if me think your potential is better, I when I get 99, I still have quarrel about the 1%, because guess what? You have it in you forget the one. So if you don't want somebody to push me I'm probably not the right person. No, remember this. When I do maths with a girl, she got 1. So because she was willing to work, what I did was I give her double the work in at the time. And I push her. And funny enough, after she got the 1 and we were talking and she said, sir, and I was so tired after each class. Just go home, go sleep. And then I shared what I was doing with her and we had a laugh about it. But then you guys want me to pet and say, oh, don't worry about that, man. That's not gonna come on the exam. Don't worry, if you don't know it, it's not gonna come on the exam. No, I'm not like that. You better know everything and it don't come. So, distinction we say. Alright, Amelia is finished, so we're gonna begin now. Done, Kiana? Alright guys, so we're gonna shut it now. So by now, everyone should be able to know the formula, right? All divided by 2a. And then we just drop in what we know. So a, it'll be 1, b, 4, and c, negative 20. And we just drop in them there right away, guys. So b, it'll be negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 square minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 20, divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. Alright, we do the maths now, because we're not doing nothing yet, And funny enough, CSEC could give 1 mark for all of this. CSEC is a joke, they are petting too much, man. Alright, so minus 4 plus or minus 4 are 16. Put this in a bracket, guys. Now people get confused just saying 4 ones are 4, 4 times 80, negative 4 times 20, negative 80, divided by 2. By now we established that this is going to be 2 negative will become plus, so negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 18, that's a 96, divided by 2. As Amelia say, put the plus first. Why square root of 96? 9 point something, 9981. 9.8. And guys, I tell this, Amelia do well, but she still want to do class. Sometimes I have to tell her, say, Amelia, we need little rest, man. Just watch. That energy them want, man. This is what, 5.8? So 5.8 or 5.2? 5.8. Positive, right? Divided by 2. And this is negative 13.8. And we divide it by 2. And guys, I first going to teach Amelia this. And she get it. So, Uno can get it too. Hopefully, let's look at about 22.9?
Yeah.
Negative 6.9. I mean, your mother, big up yourself, you know. Do you know watch my channel, big up yourself. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do this. If you didn't get it, guys, just pause the video and you can always go back over the video. But we're gonna do the next one now. Because I forget I'm here at home safe, you know, because I'll be a criminality going on in Jamaica. You know, if you support them, you know, don't support the criminal because at the end of the day, they might come at our doorstep, we don't know when. See them take out the teacher there, take out our car. When since you have a society where they might kill teachers. You shouldn't even kill police and soldier. You know what I mean? Society will get messed up more and more every day. So protect yourself. Not just from the virus, but from people. Yes, it's going on in the country. Or more guns being in the country than something there. Than tablet. You them want to go to school to learn and so. Alright, that one here we just have to write it shortcut. A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 3, and C is equal to 8. Alright, we're going to short it now. So, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. We just put in what we know. We know say b a negative 3, but the negative is a part of it, right? Plus or minus 3 square minus 4, a is 2 times c, which is 8. All divided by something I'll go wrong with that one here. Because let me think about it. 2 times a are 4. So x equal, it's a positive 3 plus or minus. It's going to be 9. It's going to go wrong because 4 2 is 8 and that's 64. We can have a negative something. So we're going to change this to negative 8. My bad. We'll change it to negative 8. Remember, you can't find the negative of us unless you got A level and you want to have I and M something. So, divide by 4. So it's going to be what? 9 plus 64. That's 73. So 3 plus or minus the square root of 73 all upon 4. So it's going to be 3 plus 7 7 49 8 8 64. So 8 by 1 divided by 4. 3 minus 8 by something divided by 4. Yeah. What 8 by 1 you get, huh? It's square root of 73. When you add this, I get 8.5. And then we work out that, so that's why 11.5 divided by 4 and
Sir, I want negative 3.
a negative 3 we have? Oh, so it's negative 3. Well, it don't matter because when negative 3 is square, it will be positive 9. That's right. And it's still wrong because guess what? Negative this, well, it's a positive. Yeah, you don't change nothing because negative. Yeah. No, good thing I bring up this. Remember, you know, it's a negative 3, right? But there's a negative which is a part of the formula. So 2 negative, I'll give you positive. Yeah. A good thing I taught it, you know. So this work out to a 5.5. Guys, remember, you know, them look up here and now use a calculator. So you guys have to just meds it and say, use your calculator and check the accuracy of it. Because so we do maths, you know, freestyle it. to do the negative first or the positive. At the end of the day, it is what it is. It no matter if it, you understand? If you choose, you can do the negative one first and then the positive. It doesn't matter, man. I just me, I kind of put it in a structured way.
No, the plus and the minus the same way we go through we have the negative three. But the same way we go through we have negative.
Oh, yeah. So I have to be mindful of this because remember, you know, the negative is a part of the formula.
There is a negative already.
Yeah. So it becomes positive. But you have no space. I'm sure the subscribers can do this. 11.5 divided by 4. 2.87. And 1.3. 20 are positive. Oh, this one negative, right? Yeah. As the negative. Don't know things setting up peeps. We create them, you know. Every year we create them. People like Amelia and so push them out in the world. We don't look at credit or nothing, you know, but we just do it. Because they love our art to see. Alright, subscribers, try that one again. Because I still have to done class with Amelia, you know. I have a class 4 o'clock again. If you don't want to be a part of the class, they just link me up. Give me my account and I send the money and stuff. I don't know what things say. On distance time graph and velocity time graph and so. Alright. This time I'm going to make the middle term be negative. No, first term. So, negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. I think this one should be able to work. At 8, can't get it. That's why it's important to learn this, you know, because every time CSEC going nice and say blah blah blah. Sometimes I'm going to set it rough. Sometimes I will actually tell you to use the quadratic formula. So try this, subscribers. Negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. Using the quadratic formula. X equal minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Notice me say all because this is the last thing I'm going to do. Divide by 2a. When I reach down to that spot. People, now ask you know, what are your excuses or your excuse for not passing maths this year? The entire syllabus is on something, you know, my channel, you know. What excuse will you have to say that if you fail maths? Don't watch your channel. It's free. Why would you not watch your channel? You get what I say? And I like yeah, watch out. People will kill themselves to come on a marathon. 4,000 for class and something. People will kill themselves to come on a class, you know. But yet still, maths is free, channel is free, and something. And them don't watch it, so I don't get it. What do you want from me, people? You get what I say? amount of people ask for marathon, but guys, based off of what's happening, I don't know if a marathon is gonna keep, because the government keep locking down the country and so forth, and we don't want to make plans and then rent somewhere and then yeah. So that is one of the things. And then the regulation where you can't have more than 10 people. So that's 9 students with me. That feasible, no. So that's why I'm doing this, going live and so forth. I try now. I try. But you need to help me. As I say, get to your grandfather's phone. You might not understand, pick up on YouTube, but you can subscribe. Just watch one of the videos for 5 minutes, click the like button, and then subscribe. Then you have to watch it. So I them icon of force and you can get the see phone. But I look the subscription. So I can go live and the thing can stream properly live. This is how to want second hand stream. I don't want to do that. I want it to be the real quality, just like the videos them. So guys, just do that. And then the playback on this now, so the quality not good. So just don't have to do, man. Me I do this for free. I buy a marker, I buy a board, I buy a tripod, I buy everything. Do that to me, come on. What's up? What's wrong with these people? I mean, tell me now. Finish. Alright, I mean that's finished. I'm gonna check our work. Alright guys, this is going to be the last one and then we end the live, Big up on yourself. If you never join, sorry, next time when you can. So A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 4. Now we just put that in our formula. We're going to dip on the formula sheet. Why you excuse if you don't get this right for an exam? There shall be none. So I now wait until 1 week left when you call me about if you cancel my free class them for my students and my loyal to me for the entire year. I shall reject your money. Remember me telling that. Come a class from now. Don't wait until, because how many things you can learn in a one day. So if you never had to work all along. Alright. Yeah, me I want them I mean, yeah. Last time somebody said me don't want the money because I refuse the money. So I'm going to keep free class with my students them. But loyal to me for the entire year. So me stay. Loyalty more important than money. Enough people don't understand that. We live in a dangerous society. There are a lot of killing and backstabbing and all of these things. So 5 at 25 minus 4 times 2 is 8, and that is negative 32. 4 2 is 8, 8 4 is 32. And this here negative 4. Get with the program guys. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus. And you see guys, if I was on YouTube as my platform, I could be seeing the comments them now. I wouldn't have to wait. So you see, using a second hand stream, I have a lot of disadvantage. I could actually correct you guys and discuss and so forth. But now I'm blind. So 25 plus 32 I want to know. 7 for this 57. Divided by negative 4. 7.5. Alright. See that guys, I mean I dip on the ball. I just great 10 GN. I tell them too much, man. I don't give me address. 7 by what? 5. Divided by 4. And then no. Plus 5 divided by 4. Minus 5. Minus 7.5 divided by 4. So this gives what? 2.5?
Yeah.
Negative 11. 12, yeah. So this is our 0 point
Negative 0.62.
62.
And
Why? Remember I said this a positive 5, right? Negative 5. And then this a plus 7, so the plus bigger. Yeah. But this one though would have been negative. Because both of them negative, so when you add them, so this is our negative 1. 3.5. Whoa. Oh, 3.12. I mean, the inner said 12. 3.1. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave one of the where you guys can leave in the comment section. Big up Delafair. No Monday. No you watch right now. And thanks to all of the comments. Yeah. And as I promise you, I will be helping you right through. You know, I started this channel for those Miri students, but then I realized that I have more people that is not at Miri's. Weird, you know? Oh, we can divide by -4. Oh, this was -4. You know, from doing this, so maybe right by negative. Guys, there was an error, right? Because it's supposed to be dividing by -4. So, I mean, I just point it out to me. So this was negative, was 0.62?
Yes, sir.
So you have bright student, and this are positive. As negative and negative divide, you get a positive. What happened when I wrote this here, so, and I write back positive 4 up here, so. That happens sometimes. But just when you have smart students around you, they become your eyes to, you know. Pick up yourself from here. So the man have to give you an extra dumpling or an extra spoon of rice. The parents rewarding you. Soon to call her and tell her, say, to take care of a heap of chores. You do what about chores? No. The month that you will not chores, man, I call her. Alright guys, I want you guys to do this one. Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to end the live shortly because I don't know, I have to get her home safe. Oh, criminal, I'm out there, you know. Not productive for me. No, not 8. We use 8 a while ago. 10. Let's see if it can work first. I'm just freestyle them in. Yeah man, that can work. Alright guys, big up everyone. Thanks for joining the live. Really appreciate it. And guys, do what you have to do, right? Get some people to subscribe and them thing. Alright? Big up on yourself. Almost 1 hour. So we do class, you know, 1 hour for class. High intensity. Right, Amelia? Yeah. You don't have to spend the whole day. We just work.